Hello, so I was unable to uninstall Epic online services from my laptop, and finally I found a solution, and now it's gone for good. Every time I tried to uninstall the application, it was reinstalling itself for some reason, and I will now show you the solution to prevent that. First, go to this page. I linked this page in the description, and then download this program. This is a Microsoft official page, so don't worry about any viruses it may contain because it doesn't. Click download troubleshooter and then proceed to download this little program right here. Once it's downloaded, open it, click next, and then here click uninstalling. And here you will see Epic Online Services. I don't have it anymore because I already deleted it, but with you it will be right here and you will easily find it. So here you should click on Epic Online Services, and for me it took more than 5 minutes to uninstall it. I don't know how long it will take with you, but let the program do the job while you do your work, and it will automatically take care of Epic Online Services and it will remove it from your system. And that was all. That's how you remove Epic Online Services from your PC. Thank you for watching and have a good day.